BBC broadcasts to more than 300 million people across the world on TV, radio and online. As a broadcast apprentice, I usually speak into the microphone. But without a team of great engineers working hard behind the scenes, inventing and innovating, none of this would even happen.
Well, this is the weather gallery, so this controls all you see and hear when you look at the weather in the evening. Definitely do this course. You're being taught by some of the best and most knowledgeable people around, and you get to work with some of the coolest kit you can never work on.
So we are here in the One Show Gallery. Tell me what happens here.
So we've got a maximum of 12 live video sources and 7 cameras. We can literally do anything from here.
So what's fun about engineering is the application of all the theoretical subjects such as maths, all your sciences, and it's applying this into the real world sort of. So the sort of engineering is pioneering the future and the way that we go about everyday tasks.
Engineering is about creating and it's about innovation. And if that is what interests you, engineering is for anybody. It really is just about creating something beautiful, creating something that makes others think, wow, that's absolutely amazing.
I'm a research technologist for BBC R&D, which means that we try and make future content or new ways of experiencing TV and radio that are more interesting and more tailored to each individual audience member.
Sometimes because it's research, you don't really know the outcome, you don't know if it's going to work or not. So don't be too frustrated, be patient, stick with it. And yeah, just like challenges. If I put on the headphones and listen to something and then start moving, the cameras in this room will track my movement and will automatically adjust the audio.
So what sort of person do you need to be?
I think to become an engineer, I think you have to be passionate about what you're learning, you have to be hardworking, and you have to be very logical.
So I'm on a 2-year trainee scheme where they put us into professional roles, 12-week placements at a time, and we get a real sense of what the industry does in every little facet of it. And so by the time we finish, you'll have a master's in broadcasting engineering and a wealth of experience in the industry.
We're basically learning how to work with the code bases of the BBC. So I'm in BBC Sport, so I'm working a lot in the code base and learning how to make stuff on their website.
And I'm in television and mobile platforms, so I write applications for smart TVs, games consoles, set-top boxes, those kind of things.
We do a lot of different things. We get 4 6-month rotations, and so my rotations, I've worked on iPlayer, I've brought in a new feature on that. I helped to build the new BBC Cricket scorecard on the Sport website, which is awesome. And then at the minute I'm designing an API, which means that external news organisations can request to us and we'll send them back the news articles that we want to.
Right now, this is my first 6-month rotation, so I'm going to be working on the food website, and my job right now is to do the kind of front end stuff, which is kind of makes it look good and it works well on the mobile devices. Don't think that you're not good enough, or just because you come from a particular area that you're not going to be able to get to work at a place as amazing as this. And yeah, you don't have to be like amazing at coding, because there's a lot of support from your team, the teams that you work with, and also the BBC Academy, so you get plenty of training, so you don't need to worry. Just go for it, yeah.
Engineering can literally mean anything here at the BBC, from broadcast apprentices to trainees, to software designers, to website builders, to research and development. So the question is, which one will you choose?